Yes, we offshore already. The sea, see the islands. That's the first island called Napoleon Island. That's where we're heading to for the fruit bats viewing.
Yes, so this one is Napoleon Island.
Napoleon Island.
The big island in this province.
The biggest one in the area.
So
we will be having a chance to hike on the top of it, where we'll be having a great view from the island. If we're saying the big one in the area, that means when you're on the top of it, you can see all the islands under you.
Okay.
Like you see, there's a Monkey Islands.
This is Monkey Island.
Monkey Islands.
Okay.
Swimming Islands.
This one is Swimming Island.
Yeah, there's Cows Islands.
This one is Cow Island.
Cows Islands. That is Plantation Islands.
This one is Plantation
where we're having
Island.
a lot of plants.
Yeah.
Including macadamia trees.
Oh.
You know the macadamia peanuts?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, that we also have that.
So you can explain in more what we have on that plantation tree, like cassava, bizumba.
Yeah,
you can explain.
We have cassava, and we have sweet potatoes.
Okay.
We have bananas.
Every kind of seeds there. They already planted there. In future, they need, they can get from there.
Yeah.
They preserve.
That's actually the island. There have been people living on the island,
yes.
But because of issue of having no schools for the kids on the island,
okay.
Having no electricity, no water, so the government decided to take the people to the shore so that they can take care of them. So they make island to be planted on the Plantation Island.
So this is the Plantation Island,
plants, yeah.
And this one is
swimming. Islands.
And this one is for monkey.
It's called a Peace Island, but the people like to go there for the barbecue, picnics, people swim, people want to climb the tree and jump in the water from the trees.
They are making miskaki and
bruschetta, everything there.
And this is.
So if you take your day, we bring you there with everything.
Yes.
So you can cook yourself, you can stay there for the hours.
Okay, and you can enjoy the party like some picnic.
Yeah.
And that one is monkey.
That is the Monkey Island. That's where we will find the monkeys on the island.
We have a monkeys there.
We have monkeys on that
island. Yeah. Even whole, it's surrounded by the water and monkeys are there.
Yeah, the monkeys are there.
How come?
We brought them there.
Okay.
Just for our to be showing our tourists, our people.
Okay.
And they've been 2, but now they give birth. They almost 12 monkeys.
Even I was surprised how the monkeys reach there. Even everywhere is the water only.
Yeah, monkeys are there. You will see the monkeys.
Okay, and we are heading to Napoleon.
We are heading to Napoleon Island.
This one.
Viewing the bats and climb the hike to the top of the island for the great view.
Okay.
And we will enjoy the tour.
Okay.
Let's head to Napoleon Island.
Okay.
Cool.
Merci, sir.
Thank you so much.
Boat parking.
Yeah, waiting for the people to the island. People went on the island, so the boat to be waiting.
Now we are near. Now this is the Napoleon Island, and we reached safely. Thank God. Oh yeah.